Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily delete an alert in TradingView platform. So when you're going to be in TradingView, what you can do is simply go on the right side and click under alerts, and then you're going to have the Apple greater than, and you're going to have like your own alert here. You want to simply click on remove. Do you really want to delete alert? Yes. And this is how you do it. So pretty straightforward, pretty easy. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.